Hi my dear student, okay, so welcome back to my channel. Okay, hope you know my channel name is Avinash classes. Okay, so the student or guardian who not subscribe my channel till now, so kindly go and subscribe. Okay, so already I informed you that next from 15th May I am going to start a Vedic math class only for this summer vacation. Okay, because I want to make this summer vacation more useful. Okay, I want to engage the kids and make them learn to something new, like some skills. Okay, so that is, but apart from this, our academic, okay, already I inform you I am the teacher from the grade 5 to 10th. I used to teach grade 5 to 10th. So this is the on demand video, okay, video on demand. Okay, so suppose that any student you are facing any problem, okay, in any topic, any subject, okay, so please let me know. Okay, just comment. I will make a separate video on that and I will help you. Okay, and I'm saying that every Sunday I will come on live. Okay, so the student who want to join on the live session, kindly comment their WhatsApp number. I will add in our group, and definitely from upcoming Sunday we will make a live session. Okay, so let's start our. So today the video on demand topic is what? Statics. Okay, of class 10. So 2-3 students demanding, sir, I have the many doubt in statics, please go through. Okay, so this is not a new topic for grade 9th. In grade 9th, 8th also we learn. Okay, but in 10th something special. Okay, so already we know that in statics what we have to do, we have under statics we have to learn three things: mean, median, mode. Okay, so first exercise we have to do mean. So in these sections we are going to learn about the mean. Okay, so first I tell you mean means what. So in our day to day what we can say that mean means what? Average. Okay, average is what? The sum of addition, sorry, sum of observation by number of observation. So that we know mean. Now coming to median part. Okay, median is what? Just try to understand like the middle value, middle one. Okay, and mode means what? The value who occurs maximum number of time. So that is mode. Okay, so today we are going to focus on mean. But in grade 10th we learn some different method. Okay, so here three method we have to learn. One is called what? Direct method. One is what? Direct method. Okay, second method is what? Assume mean method. And third method is what? Step deviation method. Okay, now you see, sir, here why write 4, 5, 6? So that is a surprise. I will reveal in the end of the class. So please may continue. There is some importance of 4, 5, 6. So now coming to, before starting the question, we have to understand the one thing: ungroup data and group data, sir. Okay, there are the two types of data. One is group data, other one is ungroup data. So sir, what is the difference between the group and ungroup data? In our previous classes, like class 7, 8, 9, we learned find the mean of 2, 3 like that. 2, 3, 4, 8, 7, 15 like that. So they are not in group. They are given individual one by one. So this is called ungrouped data. But you see in this example here, daily wages, number of workers. So they make the group like 100 to 120. How many workers? 12. 120 to 140. So it means what? It making the group. So first of all, you understand the difference between the group and ungrouped data. Now we try to solve this question. Okay, and these questions. Okay, so here we use the direct method. First we try to learn this question by using direct method. So here first we make the 4 column: 1, 2, 3, 4. So in first column there should be the class interval. So already this is given like 100 to 120, 120 to 140. So we write here down by down. 100 to 120, 120 to 140, 140 to 160, 160 to 180. Like this we write here. Okay. F stands for frequency. So here we write how many times it comes. So between 100 to 120, how many workers there? 12. So it means here frequency is what? 12. Now 120 to 140. So it comes 40. Now tell me 140 to 160 how many? Yes, 8. So here we write 8. Now 6. Now 10. Very easy. Okay, this to our question part. Okay, now we have to find the xi. So here question come, what is xi? So here xi is what? Class marks. Sometimes you see class marks, sometimes you see mid value or otherwise xi. Sir, how can you find the class marks? So class marks is what? Middle value. So for finding middle value, we have to add upper limit plus lower limit. Always remember what we have to add: upper limit plus lower limit and divide it by 2. So here you just tell me 120 plus 100. What it comes? So 220. Very good. Now 220 divided with 2. So what we get? So here we can simply write here 100 plus 120 by 2. So we get here 220 by 2. It means 110. So here class 110. For now next 120, 140. So here what happens? We add like that: upper limit plus lower limit divide by 2. So it comes 260 by 2. So it comes 130. What it comes? 130. Now next you tell me 140 by 140 and 260. So what is the class? So we here add 160 plus 120. Now we try to do some manually. So 100 plus 100, 200, and 60 plus 4, 100. So total 300. So 300 divided by 2, it comes 150. Okay. Here see one relation is coming. Every time 20 increasing. See their difference comes, sometimes 20 increase, sometimes 30 increase. It means you are doing the wrong. It come always same. The difference between these always come. So you can say, sir, here it should become like 170. Yes, we will check. So here 160 plus 180. So here we do our manual method. 180 plus 160 by 2. Now here 0, 4, 3 divide by 2. So what we get here? 170. Okay. So now no need to do. Next one is what? 191. So what we see here? The difference between is always same. 20, 20, 20. So first column completed, second column completed, third column completed. Now in fourth column, what is here? Fi into xi. What is there? Fi into xi. It means what? We have to multiply Fi into xi. So here Fi, here xi. Now multiply 110 into 12. Then what we will get? Okay. So if you want to do manually, you can do. Otherwise, you can write it like here. Okay. So here 12 into 11. So very easy. Just add 1, 2 and add 1 plus 2, 3 and put it. Very easy, na? This is the trick. So 12 into 11, 1. Now 14 into 30. So here we write 14 or 30. We not go for basic method. We do some smartly. So 4 3 ja 12. Carry 1. Now 4 1 ja 4. 3 1 ja 3. 4 plus 3, 7. And before that 8. And 1 1. So what it come? 182. And put 1 0 because here 130. So you put here 1. So here 182. Okay. Now here 15 into 8. So we only multiply 15 times 8. So tell me 15 times 8 is what? Very simple. 15 times 8 is, if you not know, so here you write 15 into 8. So 5 8 ja 40. So write here 0 and carry 4. Now 1 8 ja 8. 8 plus 4 12. You can do like this. So it comes 1 2 0 and keep 1 0 because 4 this. Now 17 into 6. If you know 17 table, very good. Otherwise, first write that 7 6 ja. So 7 6 ja 42. So here we write 2 carry 4. Now 6 1 ja 6. 6 plus 4 0. 6 plus 4 10. So we write here 1 0 2 and last we put here 1. Very careful. And it's very easy now. 190 into 10. So it comes 190. So this you understand. So here Fi into xi. What we did here? Fi into xi. So this part completed. Okay. Now we have to find here mean is equals to. Okay. So here mean is equals to, this symbol represents for mean. Summation of Fi into xi by summation of Fi. So here what we will do? We add. This symbol means what? Addition. Means we have to add all. So here 0, 0, 0, 0. So we write here 0, 1. Now here 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. So we write here 6. Now 3 plus 8, 11. Okay. But we keep 1 and put here 1 dot. Now we'll adding by using the dot method. So 3 plus 8, 11. So unit place we will carry and 10 place for write 0. Now 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 9, 3 plus 9, 12. 8, 11. Okay. But we keep 1 and put here 1 dot. Now we'll adding by using the dot method. So 3 plus 8, 11. So unit place we will carry and 10 place for write 0. Now 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 9, 3 plus 9, 12. So we write here 12 and put here 1 dot. So now here 1 dot, 2 dot. 2 plus 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we write here 7. Okay. So this is the summation of Fi into Xi. Now we have to do summation of Fi. Summation of Fi. So if you add, you get here 50. Okay. Now here mean is equals to, very simple. We write here 7260 divide with 50. Now 1010 cancel. Now 5 table, 7 come how many times? 1 time. Carry 2, 2 plus 2, 22. So we go for 4 times. 5 4 ja 20. Again 2, 2 plus 5, 2 and here 6. It becomes 26. So we go for 5 times. Again 1 come. Now it come 1, 2. So here answer is what? 145.2. So this is our mean value. And which method we use? Direct method. Okay. Now first you write down this. Then we go with second method for same questions. That is called the assumed mean method. Okay. So now we are going to learn the second method. That is called assumed mean method. Okay. So here what happens? In this method we have to assume one value. In which part? Xi part. So basically we do the middle part. If you assume any other one, so that's also fine. So here what we are doing? We are assuming this middle part. Okay. So this part we circle. Okay. This is our assumed value 150. Suppose that if you try to know, sir, I want to assume this one, no problem. You can assume, answer will come correctly. So here what happens? Assume value. So now here we have to find di. Okay. So how we find the di? Xi minus assumed value. So xi means this. Okay. And assumed value means 150. So here what we do? 110 minus 150. So we get here minus 40. Okay. Now 130 minus 150, we get minus 20. Now 150 minus 150, what we get here? 0. Now 170 minus 150 plus 20, 190 minus 50, 40. It's very easy, we can do. Okay. And when we take the middle one, so here what happens? Some value come in negative and some value come in positive. Okay. Now what we have to do? We have to multiply Fi into di. That's very important. What we have to multiply? Fi into di. Means this Fi part and di part. Before that in direct method what we are multiplying? Fi into xi. But here we multiply Fi into di. Sir, 12 into 40. So what we get here? 12 times 4, that is 48. And negative means negative 48. And for this 10 we put here 10. That's very easy. Now 14 times minus 20. So 14 times 2 is what? 28. For this 0, negative, negative. And we know that any number multiply with 0, answer will be 0. Now 6 multiply with 20, we get 120. And 10 multiply with 40, 400. Okay, so this part we completed. Now summation of Fi into di. So here we write summation of Fi into di. Means this we have to add. Now here see, some number are negative, some number are positive. So first we add the negative number. So 480 plus 280. So what we get here? 760. Correct? Very good. Now positive number 400 plus 120. So it comes 520. Now we do subtract because this is the negative number. So 0, 4, 2. So we get negative 240. What we get here? Negative 240. Now here formula is x bar, that is mean, is equals to a plus summation of a phi into di by summation of a phi. Here a means what? Assumed value. Suppose that you are assuming 150, so we have to take here 150. If you are assuming 130, it's your choice. So we have to write here 130. So right now here we write 150, correct? Plus this is negative 240 divided with 50. Okay, so first we cancel 0 cancel. Now 5 divided with 24. So answer come, and this plus minus come negative. Now we have 24 divided with 5, we check. 5 4 ja 24. Here put decimals, 0 8 times. So here we get 4.8. Now we do subtractions. Very simple. 150 minus 4.8. So it comes to 9. 9 means 4. 5, 4, 1. So what we get here? 145.2. Hope you remember, when you are doing the direct method, we will get the same answer, 145.2. So this is our mean by using the second method, that is the assumed mean method. Okay, now we will do step deviation method. Okay, so please write down first. Okay, write down all steps. This is the rough part, so you write in the rough part circle 1, but this all our main part. So please write down and understand. Okay. Okay. So now we are going to learn the step deviation method after completing the two methods, direct method and assumed method. So in step deviation method, some things are like previous one only, like class interval same, fi same, xi same, di that we did in the assumed mean method same we did. Okay. Now here one thing that we have to learn here, ui. So ui equals to what? Di minus h. H for what? Height. This h stands for height. Okay. Height is what? The difference between this. So 120 minus 20. So what we get here? 20. And you know h is always same. 20, 20, 20, 20. So we assume here h is equals to 20. Okay. In some question it may be 10. In some question it may be 30, 40, whatever it is. Okay. So we have to take this one. Now minus 40 divided with 20, negative 2. Minus 20 divided with 20, negative 1. 0 divided with any number, answer will be 0. 20, 21, 40, 22. Okay. So many students see, sir, this method is very hard method. Okay. Actually here we have to write more, but here the calculation become very easy. Okay. And I want to inform you, this question come in higher marks. Okay. So I know they are the time taken questions, but please practice. In this, by solving this question, you get score the good marks. So here we multiply fi into di. See, very easy. Fi is what here? 12, and di is equals to minus 20. So 12 into minus 20 we get minus 24. See, very easy calculation. 14 into minus 1, minus 14. 8 into 0 we get 0. See, very easy calculation. Now 6 into 1, 6. 10 into 2, 20. It's very easy. Now last step, what we have to do? Summation of fi into ui. So just add. So when you add the negative number, it comes, I think 448 and 213, means negative 38. And when we add positive number, it comes 20 plus 6, 26. So we write here 26. One number is negative, other number is positive. We do subtraction. 8 minus 6 we get 2, and here we 1, but it's negative. Okay, so here we write negative 12, and summation of fi already 50 from initial questions. Now here we write mean is equals to a plus summation of fi into ui by summation of fi multiply with h. This is the new here. So now here a, what is the value of a? A means what? Assumed value. So that is here what? 150. So we write here 150 plus. Now this is what? Negative 12. So we write here negative 12 by 50. And what is the h? H means what? Height. So that we assume 20 means difference between these two. So here we multiply with 20. Now next step, 150 plus negative 240 by 50. 0 0 cancel. Now here 150 plus minus minus. When you divide 124 divided 5, like previous one, here we do divide and check. So 4 ja 24 decimal 8. So here what we get? 4.8. When you subtract, you get 145.2. So what we see here in every question, when we do the direct method, we get same answer. Assume mean method, same answer. Step deviation method, same. So answer will be same. Method is different. Okay. So in exam, the sometimes question come कि we have to write the step deviation method. So at that time we have to write step deviation method. But sometimes only ask find the mean. So as per your convenience, you can go with any method. Okay. Now the time of surprise. Sir, why you write here 4, 5, 6? Okay. So see, when we are doing the direct method, na, at that time we are using the 4 column. 1, 2, 3, 4. When we assume method, at that time we are using the 5 column. Now in front of you, step deviation method. So step deviation method mean how many column? 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So now your surprise open. So see, so in this way we complete our mean. So next class, in next video, we will complete the median and mode. Okay. So please share this video to your friends and this. Okay. Thank you.